How to add delivery address on Taobao. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add your delivery address on your Taobao app on your phone. So to get started, once you open the Taobao app, you want to select your account on this bottom right corner, and on the top right corner you can see settings. You want to go there. Under account and security, you want to click my addresses. On the top right corner, click add, and you want to key in your address. So mine is this address, for instance, Brockton Avenue, Abington, and as you can see here, I filled out my full name, phone number, my email, and my postal code has been filled out for me. And if you want to set it as a default address, you click this button, click save, click that, and there you have it.